All right, well, I'm back a couple days later, and it turns out you can't drop this trans without pulling the motor or dropping the whole front cradle. So, yeah, trans flew over the floor and stuff, but, yeah, going to buy an engine hoist soon. I'm really looking for one, and gonna lift the motor out of here, and also trans as well. I'm not sure exactly how it's gonna work, if I have to disconnect the trans, lift the motor out, then lift the trans out, or lift them both at once. Looks like there should be enough clearance on this side, but not 100% sure. Never really done that before, so yeah. Next, we're gonna be draining the engine oil. It's a 17 and a 3/4. Oh, I'm doing the wrong way. Don't do that, guys. The 3/4. Try it. Well, I'm using the 3/4. It's a 17 though. And yeah, we cut off the cats. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Whoever did that last really tightened it really good. That's great. Oh my. Ah, maybe time for a new oil pan. Holy. Come on. Ah. You know, I don't think I'm getting her off. I believe that's where I pull. That's the oil pan. Should another bowl somewhere. 1 minute. So I switched up to the 1/2 inch. She came out, so I'm gonna attempt to do this without getting my hands all oily. Say it's not true, not possible. I'll do it. Takes a bunch of skill. Haha. No oil in the hands. Let's go. That's a little dark, but no metal shavings, I think, so we're chilling, right? No, I still the chocolate milk. That's really nasty. But I mean, it works. So I got George with me. So to pull the motor, we got the cherry picker. We got 2 chains. It's kind of sketchy, but whatever. Currently, I took the radiator mounts off. I'm gonna pull the radiator, make it easier. I don't think you have to do that, but whatever. We also took the engine cover off the top, and now we're doing the, I think the AC lines. Yeah, there's 2 back here. All right, guys. So back here again, we got Ashton, and we unplugged about. Unplugged about literally every sensor you can think of for the engine. I tried taking the radiator and I'm kind of giving up at this point. Something's still grabbing it. And I don't want to get on my knees right now. Anyways, there's a way to do it if it makes it easier. But honestly, we have a lot of room right here, so I'm not gonna worry about it unless we get to that point. I do need to take it out. I'll like put a little thing in the video if I do or not. Anyways, so yeah, we took off these injector wiring. I think we gotta somehow take this wire. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just doing, okay? Anyways, gotta take this thing off. But yeah, just unplug basically everything. I have a big wiring harness here. If someone told me to put this engine back together right now and drive it, I probably couldn't do it right now. I literally don't know where these wires go, but we're gonna do it, you know, figuring it out. I got a little map thingy, not map, diagram. But yeah, so unplug literally everything, bro. Even like the battery, for example. Got it out, right?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, basically unplug everything. Also, we did the power steering lines, unplug those. 2 big things, power steering lines and the coolant lines, and also this radiator hoses. Yeah, and I guess next clip, hopefully we're pulling the motor out. Oh yeah, disconnect the clips for the shift linkage if yours is manual. Mine's manual, so you're gonna want to unplug these. You like undo this cotter pin. Oh, that's the slave cylinder, sorry. Shift linkage is over here. Stop singing over there.
What?
So these right here, you pull this up to make this shift linkage like move. We also got undo the pin. So you pull this out, and then this piece right here does move up. It's a little rusted, and then you can move the shift linkage around. All right, so shift linkage is all undone. I think this clutch slave cylinder is all undone. Everything's unplugged. We have 2 engine points right here to lift up. We're gonna put a bolt through this one. Idiot. All right, and then once we get tension on this cherry picker, we're gonna get a lot of tension, and then undo the motor mount and transmount and lift it out. So see how that goes. So while taking out the motor, we have all the motor mounts out. All the motor mount bolts out. This is the only motor mount that's stopping the whole engine transmission from coming out, because you have to take the motor mount out itself. So behind here, these 2 rubber garnishes, I forgot what they're called. You have to take these 2 bolts out as well. Grommet. So those 2 bolts out from under there, these 2 out here, and this one in the middle, and lift this out. Record. On anything right now. There's just
making sure it's clear. Making sure it's clear.
A lot. No, we're not on anything. Okay, good. It's just.
There we go. Let me stop this now. Don't forget, there's a little clip back here. See that little clip right there? No, not that. Where's it at? Oh, it's back there. It's hard to see. Where's the flashlight at, buddy? Where's the light at?
There's a little light button on the top.
Is the light on now? All right, we can see it now. A little clip system right here. I'm not sure what that's to. Don't forget to attach that. Detach it and attach it. What else is Let's work on this side. What do you got?
The heater core.
Heater core.
Different tubing. So we're have the engine pretty in there right now. Disconnecting the power line right here from the start. This just the
Is it easy to take it off the start, off the battery, or wherever it connects to the
All right, so we got the motor out here. Did forget a few things while we got it out, so I want to show what we forgot. Probably easy to miss type of thing. So we forgot the 2 heater core lines and this vacuum. I'm not sure what this vacuum really went to, but disconnected it. So yeah, here she is. She's out. While I have her out, I'm gonna do the clutch, right? Obviously that's what the video's about. I'm also gonna end up doing timing belt and the chain. Just want to make sure that chain doesn't break. It's got 200-something thousand miles on the motor and body. So I'm gonna do timing belt, water pump, timing chain, because they have a chain system where the belt goes here, right, to the crankshaft, to the camshaft right here. Goes all the way back here in the single camshaft. Then a timing chain attaches over here, like to 2 sprockets, and it connects to this cam right here that controls this cam. So this cam right here is it's controlled by this cam through a chain, and there's a belt right here. So it's kind of weird system. Not sure why they did that, but yeah. So I'll take more videos as I go. But that's it for this one. So thanks for watching. And if you got a Tiburon, I guess comment below if these help, whatever. I don't know. Just trying to help someone else, because I did not see many videos on these cars. So specifically this model, because you can't drop the trans down like a normal car. So yeah, here that is.